Jonathan Cheever here from Team Cheever Plumbing and Heating, giving you guys a little education. If you see water coming underneath the toilet here when you flush, chances are your wax ring is broken. We're gonna get into this one and see what's up. Should you hire a plumber to do this? Absolutely, but it's not too bad for DIY. First thing you're gonna wanna do is shut the water off. Now we're going to take apart the toilet. Shut the water off. Take the supply line out. This could get a little wet. Not too bad. We're going to unbolt these and cut the caulking. This is pretty indicative of a poor seal where that wax ring, you can tell, has had no pressure on it. So I got a double wax ring that I'm going to be putting on, one with the bell and one skinny one on top of it, but I'm going to pull this one off. So we're doubled up on wax rings, and we're going to cut this old caulking line out with one of my favorite tools. I'm not getting paid by them, but check it out. Now we can scrape that off way easy. Clean this right up. So we put that toilet back on, and we are tightening the bolts down. And then we're going to connect the water supply as well. Make sure we got no leaks here either. That's snug. I'm going to dry around the toilet so we could put some caulking down per plumbing code to seal the toilet against the floor. We always leave a job site cleaner than when we showed up.